clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial matters. Swipe tokens associate with significant installment frameworks universally and assist organizations with switching their cryptographic money over completely to stable coins or fiat-supported cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance Brilliant Chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with a plan to make crypto interoperability with conventional money, and it was subsequently procured by Binance in 2020. Swipe has fundamentally three parts, right off the bat: the primary organization which creates check cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so forth. Also, Binance, the primary partners collaborated to bring improvements. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized applications, local area, and finally, its clients. One-of-a-kind highlights of Swipe Coin. The SXP token is the local digital currency of Swipe. It controls a SXP environment and administers the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token Financial Matters, the absolute flowing stockpile diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe Wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making recommendations and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay more than 60 million vendors overall and used to partake in liquidity mining programs. Market opinions and cost of Swipe Coin. It has a market cap of around $162,915,555, a completely weakened market capitalization of $162,463,765, and a most extreme stockpile of 239,612,084 SXP. The most exorbitant cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was in 2020. Specialized examination shows that Swipe's cost today is exchanging bullishly. The ongoing cost of the Swipe coin is around 29 cents. The following prompt opposition level is 23 cents. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an obstruction level of 38 cents. The significant opposition obstacle for the year is 50 cents. Transient specialized examination shows that Swipe cryptographic money needs to break the 50 cents obstruction level to carry positive opinion to the SXP market. The cost of Swipe is moving over its 20 AMA and 50 AMA and beneath its 200 AMA. The apprehension and covetousness list is put at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Digital money lovers don't know about the Swipe risk. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the impending meetings with enough solidarity to climb. Relative file strength is put at 77, which is in the overbought zone. Market opinions on Swipe cost are positive, and a similar will go on for the week. Quick help is set at 19 cents, and significant help levels are 15 cents and 10 cents. At this point, specialized examination isn't demonstrating a breakdown underneath the significant help zone, and a transcend opposition levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. In light of the examination by value expectation, the Swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment. As per the previous value developments and information, the greatest cost level for 2024 can be around $2.99 with a base cost and the typical cost of $2.42 and $2.51. Swipe value expectation. 2023 to 2030, the Swipe cost estimate for what's in store is exceptionally bullish. On the off chance that the coin can break critical mental opposition levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another untouched high. It is a success in an extraordinary cryptographic money accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, constantly finishing itself in the event that worldwide signs are in favor. Brokers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an inescapable piece of the crypto space for financial backers who will face challenges. SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. We should have an unmistakable picture and find out about Swipe cost expectations. Swipe value forecast 2023. SXP cost forecast shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a most extreme scope of 60 cents to 20 cents with a typical cost of 45 cents. According to the figure, the SXP cost is ideal for the year. In the event that the digital money market is bullish, Swipe can break the most extreme cost around the same time. Swipe value expectation 2024. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around 75 cents. Numerous dealers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated way, and our SXP token gauges show that the cost will not go underneath 50 cents, which will be the most minimal cost of the coin in 2024. SXP value conjecture 2025. Gigantic turns of events in acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make a gigantic spike, prompting an expansion in SXP cost. Our gauges show that it will cross the $1 mark in the future toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul speculation. SXP Value Forecast 2026. Specialized arrangement shows the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $1.15 minus $1.30 continuously Zen. Swipe has a long-haul procuring potential. It deals with quality enhancements to offer better support and benefits for all the stage clients. Swipe, according to the ongoing valuation, is underestimated and will have a decent climb as long as possible. Swipe Value Forecast 2027. The SXP gauge recommends that the cost could be around $1.20 initially. The typical value reach might be around $1.35. The greatest cost for the year-end is anticipated to be around $1.50. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment definitely in that frame of mind according to the estimate. Swipe Value Forecast 2028. What's in store costs of the token are anticipated to be bullish. Toward the finish of 2028, the base cost can be $1.40, while the cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $1.70. The typical exchanging cost for the year may be $1.55. Swipe Value Forecast 2029. The SXP cost expectation for 2029 is bullish. In view of the gauges, the base cost might be around $2, including the greatest cost of $2.20, and the typical cost will be $2.10. Swipe Value Expectation 2030. As indicated by our SXP cost expectation, the coin is supposed to have a greatest cost of $3.10 with a base cost of $2.80. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token might be around $2.95 all year long. Is Swipe a wise speculation? Indeed, Swipe is a productive speculation choice according to our cost forecasts. Progressing improvements and their solid potential in the crypto space and blockchain industry show that SXP will have a cost ascend from here on out. According to current information, it is viewed as a wise speculation. Virtual monetary standards have a capriciousness over government-issued types of money. Own examination and legitimate speculation counsel are required prior to effective financial planning for beneficial venture. Where could I at any point purchase Swipe? SXP is accessible in all significant cryptographic money trades around the world. Some of them incorporate Binance, Upbit, Bittrex, FTX, Poloniex, Bitmart, KuCoin, and Gate.io. Will Swipe go up? Indeed, the Swipe cost will go up according to our Swipe cost forecast. It tends to discover connecting of financial backers and merchants. Over the long haul, it will give great revisitations of the individuals who trust the coin. How high can Swipe coins go? Continuously 2026, the most extreme worth of the coin is supposed to be around $1.30, while for the year 2030, the worth will shoot up to $3.